Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at a way that you can calculate factorials on the Linux command line. Remember that factorials expressed like 3 exclamation point represent the multiplication of series numbers like 3 times 2 times 1, so going down 1 each time. So the expression 3 exclamation point equals 3 times 2 times 1 and equals 6. Now on a Linux system, you can use a command like jot or seq, depending on what version of Linux you're using, to generate a list of sequential numbers. So C3 is 1, 2, 3. And if we use this expression, we're changing it so that the asterisk takes the place of the character returns and the output would look like this. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now all we have to do is pass the output of that command to BC and it will do the calculation for us. So you can see it's equal to 6. And just so you can see how factorials grow, if we said 5 instead of 3, the response would be 120. If we said 7 instead of 5, it would equal 720. So factorials grow very quickly. And just so you can see how quickly this command will process, I'll give you this one. The 300 factorial is equal to that big number. Well, that's your Linux tip for calculating factorials on the Linux command line. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.